We are rolling, ladies and gents. What is up? We are out here and we are driving the Bimmer to a location to get some exhaust work done. We are on the way to Boss Trucks, Michigan, down in Southeast Michigan, Metro Detroit area, and we're gonna be modifying the exhaust to this 335. It is too quiet for me, so we're gonna be doing a little muffler delete, but I just picked up some stainless pipe in the back, and we are heading down. We got about an hour and a half drive ahead of us. Catch you when we get closer or when we're about to arrive.
I didn't film much at the shop, but here's some clips of the car getting worked on. We're about to go get some shots and some POV videos of the new exhaust setup. But before we do that, let's get a little cold start / warm start, of course.
Can we just appreciate how good this thing looks with the new paint correction and ceramic coating. This thing is glassy, to say the least.
Before we do the drive-bys and the POVs, we're gonna need some warm rev clips real quick. As I was editing this, I noticed the audio for the exhaust wasn't that great, so I went back out, put a mic on the back of the bumper, pop a pickup right here. This made it so I could get a better audio clip of the exhaust and the pure sound, so we went back out, did a couple more runs, a more in-depth review, so enjoy. The turbos at low RPMs, it sounds, I love how it sounds. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because we got a little sneak peek of some winter drifting in this car with summer tires on it, and let's just say it was pretty fun. I was on the way to class and was like, might as well record, but then on the way home I didn't record and I got stuck 3 times total just because I was on summer tires. I couldn't move from a stoplight. That's how bad it was. But we managed to make it home, and it was a good time. So that will be at the end of this video. We're about to pull in here to have some fun. That is going to be it for the POV driving. As you can see, this mic setup is a lot better than the last one we had, and you can actually hear the true sounds of the exhaust and whatnot. Let's do one last downshift and pull to close out this section. Something about the N55 and just the way it sounds is unreal. As they say, the German 2JZ, and in my eyes, you can get it sounding very good. Arguably one of the best sounding V6s out there, I'd say. What is up, y'all? We are out here today, and as you can see, it's coming down pretty bad. So this is the Beamer's first time ever seeing snow since it's from Florida, but we're gonna have some fun on the way to class, obviously. Oh, dude, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that sounds great. Fuck yeah. Well, oh, we have no traction whatsoever. Oh, literally can't even accelerate out here. This is a terrible idea. But we're out here going to class, decide to pick up the camera, have some fun while we're at it. But this is worse than I expected it to be. That's for sure. Literally just fishtailing, bro. This is so much fun. I thought the roads would be like somewhat like taken care of, but this is honestly better because I'm trying to minimize the amount of salt that this car sees. We're gonna see if we can make this turn. Oh yeah, nice and slow, baby. Nice and slow. Can we make it up the hill? Oh fuck. Oh, we're going. No more hills. This is terrible. I can't even go. I can't even accelerate. See if we make this right turn. All day. All day. We are entering campus. Let's see if we can navigate through campus effectively. Oh, hell no. Woo-hoo. What if my class got canceled and I don't even know it got canceled? That would suck. Completely 45-degree angle. Yeah, summer tires in the winter, they said, would be great. Great idea. Oh, I didn't even kick out there. Alright, we're gonna end it. We're basically at campus, but just want to include this some fun driving on our way to class. But deuces, drive safe, y'all. Enjoy.